Hey guys, this will be an unboxing video for A7M4. This stuff is the accessories here. Let's see what we have for today. And this should be the camera. This is the lens. There's nothing. Okay, let's do it. Here we are. There's something like the travel kit. Okay, put there. But this is the lens. It's a Sony, and this FP55 and f1.8 ZA. Okay, here we are. Here's the lens. Oh. This one. Looks quite small and compact. We'll try it on the camera body. Some instructions, guide, blah blah blah. Put it here. Okay. Go. The camera body in China right now, the price is around 17,000. This is for the instructions for extension for the guarantee. Put it down, put it there. And here's the camera, and here's the camera box, camera bag, one shoulder. Okay. Okay. Check the box. Okay, it's okay. Unboxing. Here's the reading materials coming down here. Okay, put it down here first. Well, inside should be a shoulder band and the charger and the cable. No, battery. And the cable here. Yeah, it is the cable. The most important piece, which is the camera body. Well, it's when you handle it, it feels very tight. It's not very easy to drop. And before I was a Fuji camera user, I'm using Fuji XS10. This grip here is very small, and then I'm not quite very well to hold it. Inside you can feel the. Can you hear something? Inside is like the stabilization stuff. Yeah. Let's try on. Flip screen. Okay. Let's put the camera here first. No. And I have buy the Kingston for the V90 type. This is the SD card, and this is for video and all kinds of stuff. I think it's it can be used for every kind of the mode of the videos or photos. But also I have buy another Type A card. Where it is. Here we are. This is Type A card. No, 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 it's not the Type A card. It's a UV filter. It's a UV filter. Let's try this. Should be this one. No, it's auxiliary batteries. Oh god, too many stuff. And this piece should be. Okay. This is Top SSD, the Chinese company for the Type A card, which is a little bit cheap than the Sony one. And also we can see the reading speed 800 and the writing speed is 700. Okay. So this is all the stuff today. I unboxing. Here is the original battery. Is a UV shoulder band, camera body, lens, and the accessory batteries, and the cards. There's a Type A card, the cable. Okay, that's all for it. I will try it on. Here we go, battery here. Clean side. It feels like it's very plastic. Which one is for Type A? Oh, here, I can see it. Type A card it's 8 gigabytes, 80 gigabytes, and the SD card is 128. Okay, everything is on. Let's put the camera on. Now let's put the lens on. There's no dust. Let's check it. Yeah, no dust. All right. Camera on. Choose the language. Low battery. Oh, this is the auto set for the camera, and it's for program, aperture, manual mode 1, 2, 3, and for auto. and also you can touch the screen to set the focus. But this lens is the minimum focal length is around 50, so I have to go to very far. Let's take the photo of the. Well, that's all for today's. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye, everyone.